Magbabayad pa ba ako nito?
The customer has the right to be frustrated. Dahil yung napag-usapan nila, hindi natupad. Dapat dito pa lang sinabi na ng barber, sir, di ko kaya yan. Low taper fade, fringe, hindi ako sure kung ano yun. I genuinely feel like the customer is in the right. Could the tone have been improved? Sure. But that's already diverting the attention from what really matters. What really matters here is nagbayad yung customer for a service and that service was rendered inefficiently. To be honest, he got frustrated and he voiced his concern out. Pinakita niya na frustrated siya pero di naman siya sumigaw. Di naman siya nag-eskandalo dun. Umupo nga siya for 2 hours eh. He took 2 hours because he was trying to fix what he knows can't already be fixed. Kahit awa na lang po. Nah bro, this is not the way. Ano to, lahat pag-aawaan na lang natin. Mali yung service, period. Bago ako nag-react, respectful ako pero may limit din ang tao. Reminder lang din sa inyong lahat na huwag kayong matakot na mag-speak up for yourself. Sa kultura natin, hindi talaga tayo mas-speak up. Generally, hindi tayo confrontational. Mas gusto nating kinikim-kim na lang yung saloobin kaysa sa ipaglaban yung sarili, stand up, and create a scandal. We don't speak up enough and I think nakakabigla lang that someone here is very vocal and is really setting boundaries. Of course, tone can be improved, but at the end of the day, yun lang naman yung ginagawa niya. Standing up for himself.